What's up, y'all? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to Underground Reactions, man. Hope you're having a good day, man. Hope you're having a good, what's today, Tuesday? Hope you're having a good Tuesday, if it is Tuesday. Forgot to check. But regardless, man, hope you're having a good evening, a good night. With that being said, I'm back with somebody new, somebody who I've never heard before. I came across her video yesterday. Her name is Savannah Dexter. The song is called Lifted Up Truck. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it right. Lifted Up Truck, man. Finna check it out. It's a music video too, man. So we get the visuals as well. So finna check it out. Like I said, I've never heard of her. I've never heard her music. So she's new to me and new to the channel. With that being said, let's get it. By the way, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, man. So y'all won't miss any more uploads. Let's get it, y'all. Her name is Savannah Dexter. Hold on, gotta make sure everything's on point. Alright. Let's get it, y'all. Okay. Ooh, I like those boots. Hold up, go back. Yo, got that snake skin boots.
Mama said he was an outlaw. Daddy said it wouldn't work. Granny said, girl, listen, but I ain't pay attention. I was sitting on top of the world. We fell in love in a truck. It was lifted up. He was going full speed. I was getting stuck.
Okay.
First date on those 38. Some things never fade away. Baby, I'll be a rider. The rain is
Hold on, I'm gonna run it back real quick. So it's a country. It's like a country. I kind of had a feeling it was country just by the title, Lifted Up Truck, man. Just by the title, man, I can tell when it's country. Y'all know I love country, man. If you know me, you know I love country, man. I've been a country fan since I was a kid, man. Let's get it. Okay.
We fell in love in a lifted up truck. Lifted up truck.
That's a nice truck too, man. I'm a Ford guy. I'm a Ford fan. But yo, that Chevy looks nice, man. I like that.
Lifted up truck. People said real love don't die. When you finally feel it, then you'll understand.
She got a nice voice. She does. I like her voice, man. She's got that good singing voice, man. I like that, man. Like I said, I've never heard of her, so if YouTube lets me post this video, I'll continue to do more of her music, man. Depending on if this gets posted, if it lets me. Let's get it, man.
People said real love don't die. When you finally feel it, then you'll understand why. It's
I like that hood scoop too on the truck. Hold up. That hood scoop right here. That's nice, man. You don't see that in trucks. You know, you see that in sports cars, you know, muscle cars, Camaros, Mustangs. It's rare when you see a hood scoop on a truck, man. Not too bad, not too bad. Ooh, we were rolling like Bonnie and Clyde. Hold up.
When you finally feel it, then you'll understand why. It's his down home roots and his southern twang. We were rolling like Bonnie and Clyde. We fell in love in a truck. It was lifted up. He was going full speed. I was getting stuck from the first date on those 38.
This song just makes me want to be outside, man, in the country world, man, out in the woods, man, just hanging out, man, making a bonfire, bro. Yo, that sounds nice right about now, actually, man. Shit. Listening to every time I hear country music, man, it just motivates me to just go outside, man, for some reason, and just enjoy the great outdoors, man. Get you a girl, man. Get you a girl that loves to be outside, man. Not a lot of females love to be outside in the heat, or it's sweating. They complain about the sweat, sweating. Get you a girl that loves the great outdoors, man. That's all I'm saying, man. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with a girl who loves being outside, man. We fell in love in a truck. He was lifted up. He was going full speed. The chorus, sounds catchy. We fell in love in a truck. That sounds catchy, man. We fell in love in a truck. He was lifted up. He was going full speed. I was getting stuck from the first date on those 38. Some things never fade away. I know I keep pausing it a lot, but yo, there's no greater feeling than just getting in the truck and just cruising the back roads. Just cruising the back roads. It's a good feeling, man. With the windows down, music blasted, shit, man. Can't beat that, man. First date on those 38, some things never fade away. Baby, I'll be a rider. There ain't a star that we can't touch. I've never been higher. We fell in love in a lifted up truck. Lifted up truck. Yo, man. Hold up, man. Savannah Dexter, man. Lifted Up Truck. That song, man. I liked it, man. I enjoyed it, man. She got a nice voice. She has a nice singing voice, man. I enjoyed it. Like I said, I've never heard of her before. If they let me post this video, I'm going to be doing more of her music, man. So y'all stay tuned if y'all see this video. Besides that, other than that, with that being said, if you like the video, leave a comment, share the video, smash that like button, man, and don't forget to subscribe, man. That's the most important thing. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.